Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. The device will receive all the new technologies, as well as a cool camera. Apple will launch a budget iPhone SE2, release date, price, insider information that Apple is planning to release and present the SE2, periodically appeared since the spring of this year, but it was not confirmed in practice. Insiders were confident that the device will be shown at the presentation in October. However, surprisingly to the public, SE2 did not appear on the shelves. Recently, the new users again topped network users. According to insiders, SE2 will be presented in 2019, and it should be on sale by the end of spring of the same year. By the way, most likely, it will be budget. But, it is worth noting that for Apple the budget has a slightly different character. The price for the device will be about $500. For this money, you can buy a flagship Chinese smartphone from Xiaomi, which can compete with the iPhone XS Max itself. This gadget should compete with the cheapest model presented this year, iPhone XR. It is expected that the new smartphone will be equipped with a display that will take up to 85% of the front panel, as well as Face ID face recognition technology. It is possible that he will get the function of wireless charging, if the back panel will make glass. The cost and detailed characteristics of the gadget are not yet known. According to experts, it should go on sale at a price of about $600. In the case of a higher price, the success of SE2 sales in India and China may be questionable. Apple was sued for tricking users. Judging by the lawsuit, the Apple Corporation used the dark wallpaper during the announcement of the iPhone XS Max and iPhone XS so that the photo frame in the display was invisible. The lawsuit alleges that in this way the Apple company is deceiving users. Let's see how Apple tries to get out this time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.